Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chevy Suburban. The customer complained that the vehicle seemed a little louder than normal in the engine compartment. When we got the vehicle here and drove it, it sounded a lot like it had a bad power steering pump. It had a lot of hydraulic noise that was not normal. When we opened the hood, we realized that the vehicle had electronic power steering, so it couldn't be that. Upon some further diagnosis, we realized that the noise was coming from the bottom end of the motor. We advised the customer we would have to take some stuff off to diagnose it correctly. Once we got the timing cover and everything out of the way and dropped the oil pan, we removed the oil pump and we took it apart for inspection, and we noticed that the ring that the oil pump drives itself on to create the oil pressure was cracked. That crack was what was causing that hydraulic noise when the engine was running. We replaced the oil pump, put everything back together, started the vehicle up, quiet as it should be. Oil pressure was back to where it should be. So if you have a vehicle that's got some oil pressure issues, or the gauge seems to fluctuate quite a bit and you're not sure exactly what's causing that, please give us a call so we can diagnose it for you to make sure you don't have a catastrophic engine failure as a result of a part failing that could be replaced and prevent that problem. So, my name is Dan, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.